Build your knowledge foundation, shape the values of the society, grind the way for the improvement of the community. Hi, I'm Teacher Christine. Welcome to Puerto Princesa Dream TV Carpentry. In today's episode, we will talk about measuring, laying out, and cutting batter boards according to specifications. This is under the melt, stake out, and set batter boards, with objectives to identify the different types of batter boards, determine the steps in setting batter boards, and measure, lay out, and cut batter boards according to specifications. Before we start with our discussion, let us first test your prior knowledge.
Number 1. What is a horizontal board placed when laying out a building? A. Batter board. B. Corner stake. C. Fascia board. D. Panel board. The answer is A. Batter board. Number 2. What is the distance between the stake and laying out a building? A. 2 feet. B. 3 feet. C. 4 feet. Or D. 5 feet. The answer is B. 3 feet. Number 3. When constructing a different height of foundation, how do you set the height of the batter board? A. According to the average height of the foundation. B. According to the height of shortest foundation. C. According to the height of the tallest foundation. D. Both A and C. The answer is B. According to the height of shortest foundation. Number 4. What term is used to mark stake for the batter board? A. Grade stake. B. Corner stake. C. Level stake. D. Stake. The answer is A. Grade stake. Number 5. Where do you start leveling for the batter boards? A. Between the corner and center stake. B. Both A and C. C. Center stake. Or D. Corner stake. The answer is D. Corner stake.
Are you ready? Let us first define batter boards. Batter boards are the horizontal boards placed at the corner and at the sides of the projected building when final layout takes place. There are 2 types of batter boards.
First, batter boards or foundation post may be either joined by continuous pieces surrounding the site of foundation or by individual piece for each foundation. Second, batter boards for the foundation walls are either single or double batter boards which are placed at corner.
To be able to measure, lay out, and cut the batter boards according to its specifications, we need to master and do the following procedures.
First, determine the height of the foundation at any of the 4 corners of the proposed building. Set the stakes at 0.75 to 1 meter away from the predetermined building lines, preferably where the grade stake is. Second, in this corner, drive a stake as high as the desired height of the foundation. Third, drive in set of posts for the batter boards 3 feet away from the corners and along the sides. Drive in the post firmly. Align this post with a string. Fourth, move the height of the foundation from the stakes to the corner post of the batter board. This is done by stretching a string, level with spirit level or level bar from the stake to the post. Fifth, from the mark of this post, stretch out a string going around the corners of the building and passing at the side of the batter board posts. Sixth, level the string with a spirit level or level bar. Stretch the string tight. Start leveling from the corner stake where the height of the foundation is established. recheck the levelness. Next, mark batterboard posts along the line just leveled. These marks are placed for the top of the batterboards. And lastly, nail the batterboards in place, the straight side up and at the marks of the post.
Were you able to understand the procedures? Let us have a practice exercise. Complete the procedure in setting batterboard by choosing the correct answer.
Number 1. Determine the blank at any of the four corners of the proposed building. Set the stakes at 0.75 to 1 meter away from the predetermined building lines, preferably where the grade stake is. The answer is height of foundation. Number 2. On one of the corners, drive a blank as high as the desired height of the foundation. The answer is stake. Number 3. Drive in set of posts for the blank 3 feet away from the corners and along the sides. The answer is batterboard. Number 4. Drive in the post firmly. Align this post with a blank. The answer is string. Number 5. Move the height of the foundation from the stakes to the blank of the batterboard. This is done by stretching a string, level with spirit level or level bar from the stake to the post. The answer is corner post.
Were you able to answer correctly? Let us answer more.
Number 1. What do you call the horizontal boards placed at the corners and at the sides of the projected building when final layout takes place? The answer is batterboard. Number 2. It is a flexible strip of metal provided with a scale and used for laying out measurement. The answer is pull-push rule. Number 3. This protection is worn to protect the worker from radiation. The answer is goggles. Number 4. What do you call to mark stake for the batterboard? The answer is grade stake. Number 5. Where do you start leveling for the batterboards? The answer is corner stake.
Now you know how to measure, lay out, and cut the batterboards. Just remember that batterboards for foundation posts may be either joined by continuous pieces surrounding the site of foundation or by individual pieces for each foundation. Batterboards for the foundation walls are either single or double batterboards which are placed at corner. I'd like to congratulate you for making it here. Let us have a short quiz.
Number 1. What tool is used to check the horizontal levelness of the surface of a material? A. Nylon string. B. Plumb bob. C. Spirit level or level bar. D. Steel square. The answer is C. Spirit level or level bar. Number 2. Which tool is used to cut pieces of lumber across the grain? A. Crosscut saw. B. Hack saw. C. Keyhole saw. Or D. Rip saw. The answer is A. Crosscut saw. Number 3. What material is used to indicate the sides of a building? A. Nylon string. B. Plumb bob. C. Spirit level or level bar. Or D. Steel square. The answer is A. Nylon string. Number 4. What tool is used to cut pegs for stake out? A. Bolo. B. Chainsaw. C. Circular saw. D. Power saw. The answer is A. Bolo. Number 5. Which tool is used to mark straight lines across a piece of stock or lumber? A. Chalk line. B. Draw knife. C. Marking gauge. D. Pencil. The answer is A. Chalk line.
How did you fare? I hope you did well. For your homework to be passed to your teacher, make a collage that shows your learnings about this lesson. Your teacher will provide the rubric for you. I hope you were able to grasp our lesson for today. Remember to strengthen your mind, demonstrate good values, and work hard for the improvement of the community. Again, this is Teacher Christine. Goodbye!